Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday in the daily newspaper on September the 12th 2020. Yes, we have here a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Yes, let me focus this. All right. Oh, oh, too much. Yes, all right. Well, maybe I need to, focus on too much. Yes, all right. Position the camera. And this medium Sudoku is only one regular Sudoku in this newspaper. There is also a quintuplet. Let me see the quintuplet here. The previous page. Yes, this is the quintuplet. And there is also in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 5 or 6. I do not know. But one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1512. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 2 is equal to 26. So if you compare with the Sudokus in additional, 26 printed numbers is a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? The number. I see here a 6 in this column, a 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. A 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this big square. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this column. The 2 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, the 2 is missing and the and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about these two numbers in this row? The missing numbers here are the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. 3. How about in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1. Excuse me. There 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in one of these 2 boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then yeah. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and I have eliminated 1 box for the 1. This dot is reserved for the 1. Because we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then. How about let me think. Three missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 8. The 7, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. There also a 7, so no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 boxes left. I cannot fill this yet. The 3 and the 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a 7 in the last row. A 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then, how about 2 numbers left in the third column? Those numbers are the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in the last row. Shown in row between. The only place for the 3 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Then 3 in this row, the third row, 3 in the second row, the row above. So in that row, the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 6. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 6 and the 5 are missing. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 1 missing number in the first row for the number 5. Then 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those numbers are the 4, the 6, and the 9. We see here 6, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in the first column for the number 4. Hey, no, 4 we have. This should be the number 2. 2 is missing. Yes, 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 8. 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 6, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column, the last column for the number 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time, maybe with the quintuplet. Yes. Bye-bye for now.